already an expert in your field. The best part? There's a one-click AI solution for everyone. Imagine the convenience of having powerful AI tools at your fingertips, ready to assist you with just a single click. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just curious about AI, there are tools tailored to your needs. These tools are designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that you can harness the power of AI without needing extensive technical knowledge. Platforms like Google AI Platform and Microsoft Azure AI offer a wide range of services. They provide robust and scalable solutions that can cater to various industries and use cases. From image recognition to natural language processing, you can find everything in one place. These tools can help you automate tasks, gain insights from data, and even create new products and services. These platforms provide comprehensive documentation and tutorials. With step-by-step guides, video tutorials, and detailed manuals, you can easily learn how to use these tools effectively. So, even if you're a beginner, you can quickly learn the ropes and start building your own AI solutions. The learning curve is made easier with the wealth of resources available, ensuring that you can progress from a novice to an expert in no time. Section 5. Jump into the future of AI. So what are you waiting for? The future is now, and AI is at the forefront of this incredible transformation. Imagine a world where machines can learn, adapt, and evolve just like humans. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. The future of AI is here, and it's just a click away. From smart assistants that help you manage your day to advanced algorithms that can predict trends and make decisions, AI is revolutionizing every aspect of our lives. With one-click AI engineering solutions, you can unlock the power of AI without any hassle. Explore these platforms, experiment with different tools, and see how AI can simplify complex tasks, making your work more efficient and effective. Discover the endless possibilities of AI. Whether you're a business professional looking to optimize operations or a creative individual seeking new ways to innovate, AI has something to offer everyone. Remember, you don't need to be a tech whiz to leverage the power of AI. These tools are designed to be user-friendly and accessible, so anyone can start using them right away. Start your AI journey today. Dive into the world of artificial intelligence and see how it can transform your life and work in ways you never imagined. Embrace the future, harness the power of AI, and watch as it brings new opportunities and innovations to your doorstep. The future is bright, and it's powered by AI.